Alright, so the vanity that I bought that I'm going to be installing into this bathroom once everything's ready has shelving that is going to be higher than where the current drain is, and it's also going to interfere with the water supply line on the right. So in this video I'm going to be cutting a hole in the drywall that I just installed, cutting out the drain section, raising it a few inches, putting in the replacement drain fittings, and raising the water line a few inches. I'm going to make it in line with the water line on the left because that line is already at the proper height. Once that's all done, I'm going to patch the drywall and it's going to be ready to go. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good one and take it easy.